Morning, YouTube. Got us a nice little sandy beach area here. Unfortunately, as you can see, it's raining. So we're going to be plugging through the rain most of the day, it looks like. So I might not get much video. And just one of the things I meant to mention, and I don't know when I'm going to be able to post this one, but it's going to be, with the service out here, it's going to be a while before I can post, and then it'll be sporadic. So when I get into town and get service, I will post the videos that I have done. But there might be several days in between the videos because of the service. So just to give everybody a fair warning, I'm doing okay. Just because I'm not posting videos doesn't mean everything's okay. Everything's not okay. And if something did happen to take me off the trail, then I'd be somewhere where I could have service. So I would let you know. All right. I might not get much done today because of the weather, but we'll see. A little bit more, better view, top of Old Blue. All right, hey everybody. I'm going to kind of give you a synopsis of what's going on today. It's been, well, last night at a stealth spot. We went about 3 or 4 miles beyond what we had planned and found us a good stealth spot. And during the night, the skies opened up. It was thunderstorms. I mean, boom, lightning, thunder, really big. So, unfortunately, that means that this is the trail today. So we have been slogging through mud puddle after mud puddle, wet roots, wet rocks, and it has actually been raining all morning. Just kind of a steady rain. Whoa, I just did a mud skate. So we have been going a little slower than we would like, but we are planning on doing 16 plus today, which is a big day. But we got started early, and we'll see how that ends up. We can always pull up short if we need to, but we're going to start trying to push some miles and get this last couple 100 miles done. We get done with the day, I'll be below 220. I think I'll be at like 215 or something like that. So to go. So chipping away, and still enjoying it, but looking forward to seeing my wife. I miss her. All right, I'll cut this off. I'm not sure how much video I'm going to get. It kind of slacked up a little bit in the rain. Maybe the sun will actually come out. Who knows? We're going to get some luck. But that's not the way through that mud pit. Not the good way. I'll go it this way. But gonna need my trekking poles for this, so I'm gonna cut this off for now. So the trail, sometimes it does stuff. They cut this canal through here. Put a metal bridge up here for us. This is just past, it's Maine Route 4. Alrighty, gonna do a little wrap up on the day. We started at a cell spot just outside of it was Maine Route 17. We did about 15 miles today. Long day. We piled in here. We're just at a little stealth site outside of Eddy Pond. Tomorrow we're going to try to get to, I think it's Spalding Lane 2. And then the next day into What's the name of the town? I'm fried. Oh, whatever that town is. And there's a hostel there, the hostel of Maine. We're gonna try to get slack packed southbound over the Bigelows the next day. And we're just chugging away the miles. So it is about 6 o'clock, which time for me to go to sleep, because we wake up early. Alright, that's PTO for tonight, and we will get some more video tomorrow. It's been overcast and cloudy all day long. Very little views, actually got no views, very few. But maybe the sun will come out tomorrow. Maybe that'll get to dry out some of my clothes. Alright, PTO.